Tired of GTA 5 or FiveM freezing at the worst moments? FPS drops and stutters can ruin even the most intense gameplay. In this guide, we'll show simple tweaks to make your game run smoothly and stably. Get ready to unlock higher FPS, smoother performance, and lag-free action every time you play. To start fixing stutters and FPS drops in GTA 5 and FiveM, open the Windows search bar and type Advanced System Settings. Click the corresponding result to launch the System Properties window. Once there, navigate to the Advanced tab and locate the Performance section, then click the Settings button. A new Performance Options window will appear. Switch to its Advanced tab as well. Here, you'll find an option that controls how Windows allocates your CPU resources. Make sure it is set to Programs rather than Background Services. This configuration is crucial for gaming performance. When set to Background Services, Windows may give priority to background tasks and system processes instead of the applications you are actively using. In the context of GTA 5 or FiveM, this can lead to sudden FPS drops, stuttering, or delayed input response, particularly in intensive scenarios like crowded servers, high traffic areas, or mods running simultaneously. By selecting Programs, you instruct Windows to prioritize the CPU power for the game you are actively running. This ensures that GTA 5 or FiveM receives maximum processing attention, which stabilizes FPS, reduces stutters, and improves responsiveness during gameplay. This adjustment is especially important for PCs with mid to low-end hardware or laptops where CPU resources are limited. Next, open the Start menu and type defrag into the search bar. Select Defragment and Optimize Drives from the search results to open a window that displays all storage drives connected to your system, including both SSD and HDD. Identify the drive where GTA 5 or FiveM is installed, ideally an SSD for optimal performance, and click Analyze. This scan checks whether the drive requires optimization. For HDDs, it identifies fragmented files that can slow down asset loading and cause stuttering during gameplay. For SSDs, it ensures trimming and alignment tasks are properly managed to maintain peak read and write efficiency. After the analysis is complete, if your drive indicates that optimization is needed, click the Optimize button. On SSDs, this operation is quick and safe, improving the way data blocks are organized without affecting the drive's lifespan. For HDDs, the process may take longer depending on the level of fragmentation. Optimizing your storage can noticeably improve load times, reduce texture pop-ins, and minimize in-game stutters or FPS drops, particularly in heavy areas or servers with dense traffic. You can leave the window open or close it once optimization starts. Windows will continue the process quietly in the background. Performing this maintenance regularly ensures that GTA 5 and FiveM remain smooth and responsive, keeping both your game experience and overall system performance at their best. Next, open the Windows search bar and type Core Isolation, then select the corresponding settings page. Within this menu, you'll find an option called Memory Integrity. This feature is designed to enhance system security by isolating critical processes to protect against advanced malware. While helpful for safety, it can also consume a noticeable amount of CPU resources, which may result in lower FPS, micro stutters, or occasional input lag in games like GTA 5 and FiveM. To maximize your CPU performance for gaming, consider turning off memory integrity. After making the change, you will likely need to restart your system for it to take effect. Disabling this feature can free up valuable CPU cycles, especially on mid-range or older processors, allowing your game to run smoother, maintain more stable FPS, and reduce stuttering during intensive gameplay scenarios, such as crowded servers or mod-heavy sessions. It's important to note that turning off memory integrity temporarily reduces certain layers of system protection. For optimal safety, you can re-enable it after gaming sessions, so your PC stays secure while browsing or performing other tasks. This adjustment is particularly useful for gamers looking to extract every bit of performance without making permanent changes, giving your GTA 5 and FiveM experience a noticeable boost without compromising system stability. Next, open the Windows search bar and type allows downloads from other PCs, then click on the corresponding settings page. In this menu, locate the option that allows downloads from other PCs and turn it off. This feature is part of Windows Update System, designed to share update files with other computers on your local network or even across the internet. While this can be useful in environments with multiple devices on a gaming PC, it often works against you. Delivery optimization can quietly consume network bandwidth and system resources in the background, even while you're playing GTA 5 or FiveM. This hidden activity can cause FPS drops, stuttering, and lag spikes, particularly during high-intensity moments like crowded servers or mod-heavy areas. By disabling this feature, you stop Windows from sending or receiving updates from other PCs, freeing up both your internet connection and system performance. This ensures that your game gets priority over network and disk usage, resulting in smoother gameplay, faster asset streaming, and more stable FPS. Next, open the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run. In the dialog box that appears, type msconfig and press Enter to open the System Configuration window. Once inside, switch to the Services tab. Before making any adjustments, check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. This step is crucial, as it prevents you from accidentally disabling essential Windows processes that are necessary for system stability. After hiding Microsoft services, you'll see a list of third-party services, including those from Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, or other hardware-related providers. Keep these enabled, as they are important for your PC's performance and stability. Then, carefully review the remaining services. Look for apps or programs you rarely use, such as update checkers, cloud sync utilities, or background audio tools. Uncheck any non-essential services to prevent them from running in the background. By disabling unnecessary background services, you free up CPU and memory resources, reduce potential conflicts, and minimize interruptions during gameplay. This tweak is especially helpful for GTA 5 and FiveM, where background activity can contribute to FPS drops, stutters, or delayed input response during high-intensity moments. Try these tweaks and enjoy GTA 5 and FiveM running smoother with higher FPS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help fellow gamers beat stutters and lag.